bathroom we now have a shower tray, which is massive. It looks huge, but it will be lovely. Just hope everything else fits in around it. Most of the room is boarded and he's started filling, bonding the gaps. He's also fitted the soil pipe that is to go outside the waste pipe here under the floorboards, and has been drilling all day a hole in the wall the other side so it can join the current soil pipe. Obviously there was no plumbing in this room at all because it was never a bathroom. Floor tiles arrived. You can see them through the little window. Little hexagon mosaic sheets from Tiles Direct. They worked out the cheapest, a lot cheaper actually than some other places. So the floor tiles are here. The tiles for the wall I should hopefully be picking up tomorrow if I can fit them all in the car. We also ordered, while we were ordering tiles for this little bit of hallway. So it's not a huge length, it's only about 3 metres, but while we were ordering the tiles we just thought we'd do it all at the same time. We'd seen these online, so we knew we wanted them. I'm not going to get this right. And we've decided on a layout for them.
No, that way. You're turning.
That way. That's it. The tiles are very versatile. They can go in lots of different ways. But we're going to have something like this. A little visit to Tappy Carpets to have a look at the options that we've got for our hallway. We're looking at woven carpets for a runner up the stairs and carpet for the landing. Had lots of choice, they were really helpful, and we've got someone coming out to measure up and give us a quote.
We then popped to B&Q to look for some tester pots for colours for our hallway. We were looking for a dusky blue colour. We picked out about 6 tester pots for us to take home and try in the hallway.
Blue. House looks like a tile shop. Tiles here, tiles down there, and a whole wall of tiles here. These are the tiles for the walls in the bathroom. They've arrived, and hopefully tiling will commence this week. I love that radiator.
Nice, isn't it? Very nice.
So good. But the plumbing is meant to come out from the floor into the pipes, but because this was an original fireplace, it's got a concrete hearth on the floor, so they couldn't get the pipes through there. So the pipes are going to have to come out of the wall and into there, so hopefully it will still look as good. What else is going on in here?
So everything's boarded pretty much. So ceiling, walls, are all boarded now. They have started to board the floors as well, which is a good sign. And we're expecting and hoping that the tiling commences this week, tomorrow. Lights which is currently hanging from the ceiling at the moment, because it was initially here, is now going to go here. So this is not going to be a permanent fix, I hope. But yes, I'm sure there will be a hole drilled and we'll sit there.
We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 testers to test out in the hallway. This one, which I think is our favourite so far, from Lick, called Blue 17. Should we stick it on? We're going to do 2 places in the hallway because there's lots of different light. Okay?
Yeah.
agreement with you, Flo?
The blue one. The green one I like, but it's the middle.
Next is a cheap B&Q one called Monaco. Nice actually. Another B&Q one. Faience. You try Flo.
Try.
That paint's gone off. Smell it.
Is it gross?
Can you hurry up so we can put the lid back on? Right, that'll do. Put it back.
That's gross. We're not having that one. That.
Denim drift. Much darker.
Yeah, very dark. Here we come.
Farrow and Ball. Kitty wear.
Do we need the paintbrush?
Underneath this one.
That's a greyish blue.
Really bad, you sure?
Yeah.
Ready? Let's smell it from here.
Do you choose that one now? We can get those ones.
Right, so at the moment we're not
Yeah.
definitive in our choice. Maybe we should let them dry and then we'll decide once they are their true colour.
So far, this is the leading favourite, the
Yeah.
Farrow and Ball.
But these might change. That one might change. Good.
Let's see what they're like when they're dry. Bath's out. Get in.
Let's get in.
It's good. Feels really big.
Think I can fit in as well?
Yeah, go on.
We're in.
Maybe we just leave it here in the garage.
Let's hope it fits.
Hello there, it's Effie, how you doing?
We're good, thank you.
On average, you want around about a 10 centimetre gap. That looks pretty good.
Yeah.
But where your stair is only 70
Quite narrow.
centimetres wide, if you then have a 50 centimetre runner,
That's quite
it's
small.
quite thin, so it sort of encourages you to sort of pigeon step up the stairs.
Uh-huh.
So what I would recommend is maybe like a 7 centimetre gap either side.
Okay.
Just to give you that little bit more, you get
Yeah.
a bit closer to the
Okay.
60 centimetres. Yeah?
Yep.
You've got that little single edge bar running around there,
Oh, yeah.
keeping all this sort of antique bronzy colour.
Yeah. That would
Change
probably
that
be
out.
better.
Change that colour.
Yeah. Can you supply that?
Yeah.
Yeah. You could have probably gone with a maybe slightly more suitable colour with two small children, but it's nice.
You're going to take all your own carpet up, underlay. Standard underlay for the flat areas, okay?
Yeah.
There's no need to go higher or more expensive than that, but it is a high traffic area, so you do need that sort of density underlay just to support the carpet.
We've done the colours, like the swatches of the colours down here, as well as upstairs, to try and see if they look different in a different light, to see if it might make us help a decision.
We're still not sure. Let's let them dry and then
We'll wait for them to dry.
prolong the decision even longer.
They're all pretty similar, I swear. If you just brought one home and been like, it's this one, and we've been like, yeah, it's really nice. I still think it's between these two. Go.
Another busy week this week. The builder's been at it. We've had all of the tiles delivered. And we've had Ed from Tappy Carpets come and helpfully suggest, measure how we can have our stairs and our landing.
Yeah, we've chosen a sandy colour wool carpet, a woven one. We decided against having tapes for the runner on the stairs, and instead of having the edges whipped, we also decided on the width of the runner as well and what the gaps will be like either side, because our stairs are quite narrow. And also having an antique brass bar along the top. We've kind of got a chrome one at the moment which won't really fit with everything else that we've got in the house. So they're changing that for us. And then this week, another busy week coming up, most of the tiling should be done in the bathroom. We're going to rip out what is currently in the little toilet. There's carpet and wallpaper in there that we will take down, ready for the builders to crack on in there. And we're going to pick up a really lovely hand-me-down piece of furniture that we've inherited, that we're really lucky to have, that we're hoping will fit into our bathroom and hold the basin on. So we will go and pick that up later this week.